I am mixing all of my slimes. All these. No more. All these slimes. And then I'm not going to be using this one. Do you know why? Because this one's so slimy, it doesn't even gum apart, it doesn't even stretch or anything. You can't even poke it. I can poke it, it's just super, super slimy. I hate slimy. Like, too slimy. So, I have to go get a bag to put this in. I forgot that. So you'll come with me. There's lots of noise out there because my mom's really noisy and then the noise starts. Oh yeah, there you go. Stop.